weeks straight, and it's like I can't get enough of it. I'm seeing my skin just changes, just transforming into a just beautiful, to a younger, fresher look, a perfect anti-aging facial scrub. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video, wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, using natural ingredient to smooth the wrinkles and fine lines. I am going to share a facial scrub with you that's going to do just that. It's going to smooth the wrinkles and fine lines. It's going to get rid of the dead skin cells from the surface of your skin. It's going to clean out those pores, and guess what? Your skin is going to look just bright, radiant with that natural glow in no time. If you use this for a week, you're going to see amazing results. I use it on my skin and Anyway, guys, you just have to see this and try it for yourself. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to share the recipe with you and you're going to give it a try at home. So let's get in the kitchen, whip this up together really quick. Now here I have some coffee beans, and coffee contains antioxidants that will help to boost the collagen production in the skin, smooth the skin of wrinkles and fine lines. And when used as a scrub like I'm going to be doing today, it's going to help to get rid of the dead skin cells. It's also going to get rid of hyperpigmentation. It's going to help to shrink large pores, and it's going to leave the skin with a natural glow. So I'm going to blend about a quarter cup of the coffee. Pour this in the blender. We're going to cover, since we're going to be blending this to a powder. And here we have it, our blended coffee. And if you notice, it do contains a bit of a granules, and this is exactly how you want it. You don't want it to be too powder-like. You want it to feel more like salt, coarse salt. So once this is done, I'm going to use 2 tablespoons, which is 30 ml of the coffee powder. And next I'm going to reach for some coconut oil, and coconut oil will help to lock that moisture in the skin. It's very hydrating, especially if you have dry skin. You can also choose to use some grapeseed oil instead, which is a much lighter oil, or you can choose to use this too if you have combination skin, a little of this and a little of that. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of the grapeseed oil. Use your favorite oils, guys. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of the coconut oil. So next I'm going to reach for some honey, which will help to get rid of dead skin cells on the skin, hydrates the skin. I'm using a teaspoon of the honey. And my final ingredient is some aloe vera gel. You can choose to use fresh aloe vera gel, or you can choose to use the store-bought. And I'm using about a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. And now I'm just going to blend this together. Slowly blend it in. Take your time and work the oil in. Don't be too quick to add more oil. Just slowly blend it in. Here you have your coffee scrub, and you can keep this in your refrigerator for up to about 14 days. It's not gonna go bad, and you can use this on your skin at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result. If you have rough, dull looking skin, this is amazing for your skin. If you're looking to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, this is good. Mature skin, this is the scrub for you. Also, if you have blackheads and large pores, this scrub is gonna work wonders on your skin. So here we have the facial scrub, And I like to use my hands to apply this scrub. I like to just take my hands and mix it in like I'm showing here. Just mix it in. And then I'm just going to take up a bit. Now this have a lot of granules, guys, so be careful where you are applying it to your skin. And then I'm just going to exfoliate my skin. Let me go back to some more. Do not let the scrub get in your eyes, guys. Exfoliate your face for about 2 minutes or so. If you have a lot of large pores, focus on those areas. Now what I like to do with this facial scrub, guys, after I exfoliate for about 2 minutes, I actually like to let it sit on my face for about 5 minutes more. So exfoliate, and then I let it sit for 5 minutes, and then I rinse off with some cold water. Now this facial mask can be used at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result. It is amazing. However, guys, it's safe to use this every other day. Just exfoliate your skin, because when you exfoliate your skin, guys, it allows your products, your beauty products that you're using, to absorb in the skin much better, especially when you're using your facial moisturizers and serums. Okay, so I'm gonna sit with mine for about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse off. Now give this facial scrub a try, guys. It is really amazing. It really works, and it works wonders on the skin. I like to use this scrub because I see instant result. When I use this scrub, my skin feel really smooth and soft, and it have this natural glow to it. I've been using this scrub now for about 2 weeks straight, and it's like I can't get enough of it. I'm seeing my skin just changing, just transforming into a just beautiful, to a younger, fresher look, a perfect anti-aging facial scrub. So I'm gonna rinse mine off, and then I'm gonna apply my beauty products. So just give it a go and use it for a week or 2, and then come back and leave a comment. This scrub is amazing. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video, leave your comments. Those are always welcome. And if this was the first time watching, guess what, guys? Look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Also, at the end of the word subscribe, there's a little bell. If you click on that, you will get a notification right away. Thank you all, and I see